Wow. Listen to that, YouTube. You can actually hear it through the wall of this room. I have my keyboard on max volume, and it's that loud. Like the bass rumbles. You can actually hear it vibrate in the wall. All right. Let's see what it sounds like from out here. Wow. Very loud transformer. 50 hertz. You can probably hear everything around there vibrating in there. My keyboard's on max volume, but you can actually hear it down in there. Let's go in the substation. Close the door so the audio isn't spilling out. You can actually hear everything through the... While we're here, I'll do an RGB color round. So here we go. We'll do red, green, blue, yellow, magenta, cyan, white. And then I'll do a magenta and cyan, because you know how your brain perceives cyan, white, and RGB color patterns. So here's magenta and cyan. There we go. Set this back down, and then I'll vibrate demonstrate the vibrational level of this to the camera for y'all. Set it down here. Let it vibrate against the camera. You can actually hear it all the way from over here. It's so loud, which I like it. I love the bass. And we'll see what this energizing sounds like from in here. This probably sounds like really awesome. And then we'll go over there and we'll test out the sound from over there. We'll just check her. We'll just make sure the tempo is right. I'm not hitting any other buttons. There's my electrical box. Actually hear the floor vibrating. You can actually feel it. It's like really awesome. And there's the bulb on the RGB light bulb over here. It's actually buzzing right there. I can operate in there. On max volume. That is just unbelievable. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. That is the loudest 50 hertz sound. I told y'all later on I would make one. Here it is. Thank you for watching.